Welcome to another episode of the Hot Hits TV. It's Dave Styles here.
And I'm Maud Garrett, coming to you from Hollywood with all the hottest news on your favorite stars.
Coming up, Snoop lays out why it isn't a good idea to cross them.
And we meet the Aussie rapper who did.
Known for his hard raps that were inspired by a hard life.
I knew once I left that slow money and jump into the fast money, I knew what came with it. Death, jail, all the negative things that could possibly, conjure up from that. I knew that I was stepping into that world.
So what in the world would possess an up-and-coming Australian rapper to first approach Snoop for lyrics and then dare to tell him to tone down the language and illicit content?
Mate, I thought if I'm going to do a song with Snoop, I want it on the radio. I want people to hear it, and so I said, look, can you keep the content clean and that? And mate, he was real down to earth. He was like, yeah, no worries.
Very brave man. But didn't Big Dave have any concerns about telling a rap veteran what to rap about?
That's why I asked, because I thought, if I don't want him to come back with something that's like all about, guns and smoking or doing illegal things. And, I thought I'm going to have to put it there first before he sends me back a verse that's just full of things that I can't play on radio.
That's all the show we have for you. The Hot Hits TV is presented by Optus. Join the collective today with Optus Rock Corps. Get given at optusrockcorps.com.au.
Thanks for watching.